Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious homemade pesto. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, half a cup of good quality extra virgin olive oil, 1/3 of a cup of pine nuts, and 2 cloves of garlic. Don't forget the cheeses, half a cup of freshly grated Parmesan and 2 tablespoons of Pecorino Romano. A pinch of salt and pepper will complete your flavor profile. These simple components combine to create a vibrant and flavorful sauce. Now let's get blending. Start by lightly toasting your pine nuts in a dry pan for a few minutes until golden and fragrant. This step really deepens their flavor. Next, in a food processor, combine the basil, toasted pine nuts, and garlic cloves. Pulse these ingredients a few times. Then, with the processor running, slowly drizzle in the extra virgin olive oil. This creates a smooth, emulsified sauce. Finally, add the Parmesan and Pecorino cheeses, pulsing just until they are incorporated. Season with salt and pepper. Achieving perfect pesto is all about technique. To prevent your pesto from turning bitter, avoid overprocessing the basil. Pulse rather than continuously blend. For an extra bright flavor, a small squeeze of fresh lemon juice works wonders. If you want to keep that beautiful, vibrant green color, you can quickly blanch your basil leaves in boiling water for about 10 seconds, then immediately plunge them into ice water before drying thoroughly. Remember, you can always adjust the amount of garlic or cheese to match your taste. Once your delicious pesto is made, proper storage is key to keeping it fresh. Transfer your pesto to an airtight container and pour a thin layer of extra virgin olive oil over the top. This creates a seal that helps prevent oxidation and keeps that vibrant green color. Stored this way, it will last for about 5 to 7 days in the refrigerator. For longer storage, you can freeze pesto in ice cube trays. Once frozen, transfer the cubes to a freezer bag. Thaw in the fridge when ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.